so I want to try out pugilist, and it's actually pretty fun. Kind of a lot more complicated than monk. It just feels more complicated. Not as complicated as a spellcaster, but I totally forgot to use some of the features for pugilist. They have so much stuff. They're really strong. So for Moxie, you can brace up, which gives you it's your fisticuffs die, which is level 20 is 1d12. Pugilist level is 20, and Constitution modifier, which is up to 5, I think, for 20 in your stats. So it's a lot. Brace up gives you a lot of temporary hit points. You got the old one too, which is like flurry of blows. You have stick and move, where you can attack and then shove or dash. And this is the older version. The newer version is probably really similar. I don't care either way. I'm just testing it out with Gemini. You have Iron Chin, which is like unarmored defense for monks, but shittier. And it's okay if it's shittier, because brace up is so good. And the pugilist is not a glass cannon like a lot of people think it is. Just because you got brace up right there, and then you got other stuff too that makes you really pretty tanky. Like at level 18, if you are reduced to 0 hit points, you regain half of your maximum hit points, half of your maximum moxie points. So that's really strong. You have advantage on strength, and constitution saving throws. So you got some really decent stuff that can help keep you alive. Like brace up, definitely one of the top ones. And then I forget to use haymaker. Haymaker is really strong. So I've got to use that on top of old one too, and stick and move and brace up. Oh, you also have bloodied but not unbowed. So when you take damage that reduces you to half max hit points or less, you can use a reaction to gain temporary hit points equal to your pugilist level, which is 20, plus your constitution modifier, which is like up to 5 at 20. And you regain all expended moxie points. So that's really strong as well for defense. So even though you're kind of low on HP, well, I wouldn't say low on HP. You're low on armor class. Your armor class is like real shit. It's like 16 at level 20 or something. I have to recheck, but it's lower than monk and barbarians. But you have all this temporary hit point stuff that you can summon up. And then I went for piss and vinegar, which is a lot of ways like a bard. You get it's like an angry bard. So you're kind of like a mix between a barbarian, a monk, and an angry bard. Your salty salute. Basically, you use it like it has a range of 60 feet. So you use it like what's that bard cantrip? The mocking, vicious mockery or something. It's kind of like vicious mockery, but it makes them have disadvantage on attack rolls after you hit them. So it's not a power hit, but it's a long range hit that makes them shitty for the next round. And then you got some dirty tricks, which I forget to do. Heel Stomper, Low Blow, Pocket Sand. So basically you got Heel Stomper, Low Blow, Pocket Sand, Salty Salute, Haymaker, 1-2, Brace Up, Stick and Move. So that's 8 attacks. 8 attacks. You have 8 attacks, and you're a non-caster. You're a marshal. So that's a lot of stuff. Really interesting. What else is good? Mean Old Cuss. Your threats and mean-spirited tricks pack an extra punch. When you make a charisma ability check, you can use your reaction and spend 1 moxie to give yourself advantage on the roll. I don't really know what that means. It's probably good. Starting at 17th level, you can offend every creature in the room. When you use your Salty Salute feature, you can choose to target a number of creatures within 60 feet who can see or hear you. So you can hit any amount of creatures that you want and choose within 60 feet for Salty Salute, which is really strong. The damage is okay, but the damage is a bonus add-on to making the enemy have disadvantage on any attack rolls it makes that do not include you. So it's like a little long range shot, does a little bit of damage, kind of like a cantrip, and it gives them disadvantage on any attack rolls that isn't you. So it's kind of a tank taunt thing. So overall, really interesting class with a lot of abilities to juggle. And not as much a glass cannon as you think, because they have a shit ton of temporary hit points that they can summon anytime, and they have a resurrection feature, auto res feature through Fighting Spirit. And I'll say it again. You are reduced to 0 hit points. You regain half of your maximum hit points, half of your maximum moxie points, and gain a level of exhaustion. That's really, really strong, because once you get your half your moxie points again, so you're at half HP, and then you use Brace Up, so you get your 1d12 plus 20 your pugilist level plus I'll say 5. You get like 30 plus ish HP for every Brace Up. So now you have half your HP plus 35 temp hit points. Really, really strong stuff. Really fun. Okay, yeah, that's it.